Thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate, one of the classic and visually spectacular demonstrations in chemistry. Because of the way it erupts and produces bright sparks and green ash, it's often referred to as the chemical volcano. Ammonium dichromate is a strong oxidizing compound, and when heated, it decomposes rapidly. The main product of this reaction is chromium oxide, which has a dark green color and forms the fluffy, ash-like material you'll see at the end of the experiment. Under normal conditions, if the sample is fully pure, the reaction can be started with just a small flame. However, in this demonstration my ammonium dichromate sample was not completely pure, which made ignition more difficult. To provide the initial heat needed to start the decomposition, I used a small ignition mixture made of potassium permanganate and glycerin. When glycerin comes into contact with potassium permanganate, a highly exothermic reaction occurs. After a few seconds, it self-ignites and produces enough heat to trigger the decomposition of ammonium dichromate. Once it starts, the reaction becomes fully self-sustaining and progresses rapidly. As you can see, the orange compound begins to glow and then erupts with bright light, sparks, and clouds of orange to green fumes. During this process, the material breaks down into three main products. Chromium oxide, the green, fluffy ash. Nitrogen gas, water vapor. The reaction releases a large amount of heat, causing the green oxide to expand and form a lightweight, volcano-like pile. This is what gives the demonstration its iconic appearance. Although visually impressive, this experiment must be performed with care. Both ammonium dichromate and some of the byproducts contain chromium compounds, which are hazardous. Proper protective equipment, good ventilation, and safe disposal procedures are essential. As the reaction finishes, you can see that the original orange powder has completely transformed into a much larger volume of green, fluffy chromium oxide, the final product of ammonium dichromate decomposition.